What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Lewis coming back at you. Another video driving this time. It's gonna be a quick one. Just want to touch base on this topic to see if there's anybody out there that has had the same issue. If so, what have you done to fix the issue? So I've actually changed the this part before. It's the oil pressure sending unit, I believe is the correct term. Anywho, as you can see right now, I'm driving 20 miles an hour, foot on the brake, check engine light, it's just something else. But as you can see right there, look what happened. I take my foot off the gas, I'm driving, and it loses pressure. Now when I press the gas, it goes up, but not a whole lot, maybe a few, I don't know if that goes by pounds or what have you, but it goes up a little bit, as you can see when I press the gas. And then as soon as I let off the gas and I pretty much coast, eventually it goes back to zero, and you can see that check gauge light come on. I've previously, let me see, I think I've owned this Jeep for about maybe going on 2 years now. I think year one of owning the Jeep, I replaced the oil pressure sending unit, the sensor itself. And I think from what I remember, it fixed the issue, but then maybe a month, 2 months down the road, it started doing this again, because it was doing it before, and that's the reason why I changed it. But now it's been like this for a while, and I just haven't had the time, or the energy to pretty much take that other one out, or to even purchase a new one, to be honest. I don't feel like wasting money on that. But if you guys think it's something else, based on your experiences on your Jeeps, please, let me know in the comments below. Because to be honest, man, I hate having lights on my dash, especially check engine light or check gauges light. Check engine light, I actually have the part coming soon. It's gonna be the vapor, the fuel line. I think it's the fuel vapor line is what's corroded and rusted out. Has a few holes in it, so it's leaking, I believe, and that's the cause for that check engine light. I'm gonna definitely be making a video on that, but the main focus on this video is just touching base on that check gauge, that oil, just goes straight to zero. I don't hear any knocks on the engine. I'm sure there's nothing wrong with the engine itself. I hope not, fingers crossed. But it only happens, like I said, when the engine is at, as you can see, is at 210 right now. So when it gets to operating temperatures, when I'm idled, dead stopped, or I let off my the foot off the gas and I'm coasting, it happens anywhere, highways, local, again, as you guys can see. So just wondering if anybody out there, and out there with Jeeps. This is a 2000 Jeep XJ, by the way, inline 6. Again, if anybody has had any issues similar to mine right now, feel free to leave me a message and let me know what you have done to correct that issue. I would very much appreciate it. Again, guys, hit that hit that thumbs up if you could. Subscribe if you could, man. I would appreciate it. Like I said, trying to stay consistent and making more videos for you guys. Obviously learning along the way. You guys could come and learn with me as well, in this journey for the Jeep XJ. Definitely have a lot of projects coming soon for this Jeep. But again, thank you guys for your time. You have a blessed day. You guys take care.